Got a bonus today. Took off early from work and went and started the cross sections going this way of the geodetics. Last weekend we got them all going this way. So now I'm starting these ones, and I knew there was going to be an issue when it came to the compression strut. The ones going this way almost had to bend over that thing. So I knew there was going to be a problem with the ones going crossways. And there is. So here's how I got around it. The ones going this way go underneath. So no problem up to the compression strut. But if you followed this one, if it did go underneath, it would run right into this, because this one is glued right to it. So there's no way it could get underneath and then up on top of this. So it just wasn't going to work. So what I did was glue this one, which should be underneath, on top, on top, on top, on top. And I cut it there, and that's where this one ends. So this one should be underneath. I put it on top because it has to go over the compression strut. Then I continued underneath like it should go and just glued that one underneath there. So this one's glued to this one, which is glued to this one. The same with the next one. I've got it going underneath like it should, underneath like it should, and then I have it stopping here and then switching to over top, so it makes it over top of that compression strut, over top, have it ending here, and then underneath like it should again. So every time I come to the compression strut, I have to make that adjustment. And what I end up doing is just cutting a piece to fit wherever it's going to fit to make it past that compression strut, and then switch over for the rest of the way. Confusing, but once you get going, it's pretty simple to see where you want to cut and glue it to the top and or the bottom of the next one. I've already got these ones cut because I've been laying them out where I know they're going to go. So on top, well, this one might go underneath. I'm not sure which one's doing here. No, that's going to bend it too much. So that'll go on top. And you can see where this one was underneath all the way up to there. But you can see what's going to happen there. I don't know if you can get close enough. But there's no way it's going to make it the bend past that compression strut to get over that and then under the next one and then sit on here. It would not happen. So we got to cut them and put them in place where they should work better. All right. I don't know if that's more confusing or less confusing, but that's what you have to do to get past those compression struts. We knew that that was going to happen, and sure enough. All right.